Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Very late. I'm sorry that came so late, and it's all because of the same Chamber of Commerce work that I'm now their employee at LCCI. You know, last 40 minutes we were having an interview, right? Okay. And they stretched the interview beyond what I gave them. To them up here. Okay. Kept talking. I just left them now. One of the reasons why I am here is to acknowledge and pay due recognition for specialist knowledge. The world today is driven by riches. People who are expert in certain things. To say Switzerland is good for something. Most people will do. To mention Switzerland, they are going to be thinking of what? What? Finance. Chocolates. Wristwatches. So, that is what drives the world. And Dr. Aikiko has created a reputation profile for specialist knowledge in a number of areas. And I always acknowledge and commend and appreciate what you are doing, Dr. Aikiko. Whether it is exports, whether it is very specialized things. The most advanced countries in the world become advanced because they spend a lot of resources and energy and time in developing specialized skills and knowledge. If everybody can, in the crowd, everybody is mixed up. You have to do something to stand up. To stand up. And the whole world is generally like that. Whether we like it or we don't like it, these fingers are never equal. They will never be equal. Some will stand out. So the question is, are you among those who are when everybody else is in the reality? So that's really what I really appreciate about what you're doing. On this subject matter, I look at it that the financial institution, the banks, like every other enterprise, says that human resources are most important asset, are most right assets. And you go to the bank, you see the ambience, the amount of money that has been in everything around peaceful structures. And you get our bankers very smartly dressed, looking very cool. But then you now engage your service provider. In this case, your credit officer, your person, that is handling your transactions. And there's some hitch in your LC, you say it's not very they are talking to the guy, I said, please hold on. Or please hold on and start typing his email. A smart customer knows something wrong. Because my account officer is supposed to be a specialist. That's what makes him an account officer. I trade account officer in my bank, and I'm really important. My account officer is my trusted advisor. In the whole world, people are looking for those two words, trusted advisor. The advisor has subject matter expertise and knowledge. Subject matter expertise. It's a subject matter experts. So if I have anything to do with my consignment, even my structuring, planning my trade financing, and taking benefit of all facilities in my country and in other countries, he is my subject matter expert. That's why he's my account officer. So I saw the outcome of your doctrine, and it's very good. So as a bank, I put a lot of money in buildings, pay my people out. I don't refresh and train and retrain. When I make the result, I said this is just because the consequence is not that dramatic. If you are a pilot, you must, even if you have 50,000 hours experience, most experienced pilot, you must go for retraining everything. Otherwise, you can't sit in. You just simply cannot sit in the cockpit because human lives are involved. But because human lives are not involved in trade finance, whether the bank retrains you or retrains you, you are pushing it. So this is the point I'm trying to make. So we need, as institutions, to put our money where our mouth is. When we say human resource, the most important resource in our business. It's not only about everybody. The amount of investments in doing that is massive. And it's unfortunately much more difficult now because of you guys, many of you look like candidates for Japan. So the banks lose a lot of money to train these guys. He has come back for one heavy training, spend a lot of money, maybe every month to South Africa to do some training, and then come back after 2 months, they work with your excuse me, sir. And you are wondering what's going on here. So you have to really sympathize with our institution at the bank. But there's no substitute for continuous investment. So my appeal to those of you who are not in the room and those of you that are staff. Continuous education, continuous knowledge is not an option. Unless you want to remain among the crowd. You want to remain among the crowd, you don't need to worry. You know, maybe your salary, the people with you, you know, consuming time, that's fine. That's for the average person. But if you don't want to belong to the average person, whether or not you have other traits, it's your own business to train yourself. Yeah. So that's why I decided to come on. Since I'm not driving for before I'm going to be tracking you and all the things you are doing in very specialized areas that are critical to the economy. Anytime they talk to me, the press today talking to me, foreign exchange, very high, 21,000, what's happening? What's going to happen? I don't know. The only people that protects and grows the value of your currency is forex. Export more, export much more. If you keep doing that, those balance we have no business. The balance will not have any business. If you are getting say $10,000 a month for export, we will be going to balance. We will go to questions. So all this complaint about balance, the governments are taking it back. There will be no reason, but because currency will be strong. Nobody will go and buy dollar. We are missing you. Because the price will not be right. Dr. I think of ABP crossing 2 months, couple of months ago. It's China. Yes. Just country to country, South Africa, Nigeria. For every 1 million people in South Africa, find out how many of them are exporters. For every 1 million people in Nigeria, find out how many exporters. You will probably find out about 10 times for every 1 million, and in fact for them. So I don't want to highlight these things. So maybe going to start as an individual, as an enterprise, you run an enterprise as an employee. The only way you can stand out from the crowd is to just ask. And it's what the organic for really from my expert. So I thank you, and thank you for listening. Thank you.